What's up, guys? So I haven't made a video in a little bit. Partially because I haven't been taking any trades. I think I took like two just like weird, low risk, shitty losses on like my top step accounts. But I actually bought two new 100K Lucid accounts, Lucid Flex accounts. Lucid has some great accounts, and we started off with a bang. So I got a new mic. Um, yeah, we started off with a bang. We got a break even and a winner. So I guess we can get into it. But yeah, I mean the last month and 3 weeks have been next round. Let's go next. Last like month and 3 weeks have been like literally the worst trading I've been. I haven't traded good. Trades that I like haven't gone my way. And I mean I definitely taken a lot of bad trades, but yeah, it just hasn't been a good month and 3 weeks. But we continue on, and hopefully this win could boost us through. This is the break even trade right here. So if we go to the 5 minute, where'd it go? Again, like we just chopped a lot today. I liked longs here. Resting liquidity above with hourly gaps. We were like in a daily gap. It was like kind of weird, but I feel like bias was like super weird today. But once we made this 5 minute gap and got a good reaction off the 5 minute gap, longs just seemed really obvious. There was like two 1 minute gaps. It's like two 1 minute gaps. I could have taken on the first one. It would have worked. But I actually waited for the second candle to close just for some more confirmation. Again, like looking back at this, I haven't looked back at the trades at all. Yes, I could have taken it maybe on the first candle for like much better RR, and like that's a nice trade right there. But yeah, I waited for the second candle to close and I just targeted higher prices. We really tried to get higher. I wanted to get to, why is TradingView doing this? And also charting on TradingView now. I wanted to get like here to this. So I would have scaled some if we went a little higher. But yeah, I wanted to get to around that hourly gap for me to be all out. But yeah, we did go break even, so like I'm not mad about the trade. But I mean, when price does this with 5 hour gaps, it's really consistent, with like bouncing off them with an inverse. It was a nice inverse, and I thought this was when price was gonna make its move and pick a direction, but clearly we didn't really pick a direction. So yeah, that was my first trade. I'll keep it marked off for now because I'm gonna have to journal it. Oh, so it's here. This was the entry. The entry was like that. That's about right. Maybe I had my stop a little lower. But yeah, entry was just about that. Second entry. Oh gosh, let me find this. This was the winner. I think it was. Oh, it was short. Short, that's why. Holy shit. Where was this? Oh, it was this. It was this. It was this. A bit of an unorthodox entry for me. But after this move really just made me want to target these lows down here. I mean, these lows are just like stacked. Like we took the 5 minute gap, but after we don't get into this hourly gap, we sweep up here. Like, love that. I'm like really close to my monitor. I wonder how close I've been for. I wonder how long I've been that close. Ooh, I have some food next to me too that I want to eat. About to finish this up. And then we have this drastic move down. I wouldn't no CISD. I mean, unless you want to consider this the CISD line, but no CISD. And then we form a 1 minute gap, and we inverse the 1 minute gap with a nice momentum candle. And our targets were too good, our liquidity is too good, and I wanted to get in there. Again, it was a bit late session, but I've kind of decided that if I'm neutral for the day, depending on price, of course, because if price is bad, I'll just get off at like 11. But if price is like, if I haven't taken a trade and like I don't hate price action, I'll stay on until 12. So 1 minute inverses, we take it and we win. We won about 1,200 on the 100K account. So that's nice. We need to have plus 6K. But yeah, we held to like there. We got all out around there. Could have held a little longer, but there was just really nothing over here. Like it tried, but just we ended up getting there a little later. But yeah, pretty good exit. And yeah, we finally get a win. That's lovely. I think that's all I have. How long have I been recording? 6 minutes. That's not even that long. So yeah, that's great. I think that's all I got. I'm done. But yeah, I mean, it was a solid day, and we have Friday with news. I'm not sure with news. NFP? Thanks for getting hammered. But yeah, I think that's it. And let's book a win tomorrow.